Aiden, I love you. Where's Tutu? Oh my gosh, you found him. Where's Broby? Oh, there he is. Oh, what about Tutu? Where'd he go? Tutu! Oh, there he is. Give him a kiss. Give Tutu a kiss. Aw, you're so nice, Kaden. Say, I love you.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Say, seriously. Seriously. Can you say grandma? Can you say grandma? Kaden, are those your books?
Book.
Can you say grandma?
Mama.
No, not mama, grandma. Can you say Amy? Can you say Caitlin? Can you say Ashley? What? Say what's up? What's up? Where's your car? Kaden, where's your car? Can you say grandma? Grandma? Grandpa? Can you ignore me? Can you say bye? Bye. See ya. Bye. Bye. I was just kidding. I'm not leaving you. Bye-bye. Bye. I'll see you later. Bye. I gotta go. Can you dance? Let me see your dance. Oh, yeah, you're a good dancer. Whoa. Dance, dance. Woohoo! Shake it, shake it. Oh, dang, you got the moves. Can you say bye? Bye. Gotta go. Bye. I'm not really. I was just kidding.